want to thank you all for joining me. Today, we are going to be talking about how to get email subscribers. Now, it's no secret that you need to market your website. Once it's up and running and you've gotten your text right, you get your marketing game up, people start to visit your website. You got to convert those individuals into subscribers. And once they become email subscribers, you can begin marketing to them with products and services. Now, it's no secret that the top dogs, the top ones in the room that has all the members, the users, is Facebook and it is Google. Okay, the social network Facebook and the search engine Google, they are housing the most most activity from individuals all around the world. You have billions of people who signed up with Facebook, and you have billions of searchers who are searching on Google. Now, you do have the others who are like the other social networking websites like G+, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And on search engine, you have Bing and MSN, but just you don't have to not pay attention to them, but you have to realize where your market lies. It if it's images, and you're a photographer or artist, then obviously you go to Instagram. But if you are selling roadside assistance like I do for one of my websites, then you simply go to local. Google local, or you advertise on Google. So find out where your market lies at, where you are more welcome at, you see. But just remember, those two are the top behemoths of the world. Okay, they're the ones who has the traffic. Now, today I want to talk to you about how to get email subscribers. You have to have when you're creating a landing page, for instance, a landing page. I'm not quite finished with this landing page. I have to add a video, but this landing page tells the visitor what they get when they become a subscriber, and they follow the rules that I place out to them. You see what I'm saying? So, like, for instance, limited time offer. This is urgency. This gives urgency. Get your WordPress blog installed for free. Receive tutorials on how to manage it and build web traffic. Now, that's enticing because people want to build web traffic. People want to know how to manage their website, their blog. Now, as they continue to advance at the bottom, I have the opt-in box right here and the email right here. I still have to work on a lot of this. But, it tells the person what they get, what they will receive from, subscribing. So just make sure the title is delicious, is it's a dessert. It is something attractive that people will want to subscribe. You see what I mean? So if you are selling stuffed toys, and you say, okay, I'm selling stuffed toys, limited time offer, get your stuffed toy, but not only get your stuffed toy, learn how to keep it clean, or learn how to keep it stitched, learn how to do different things with your stuffed toy. And if you can stand behind your word, once they have subscribed and purchased stuffed toys, then you have a happy customer. So don't only just use enticing words and, things that get people happy and want to subscribe. Also follow through what you say you're going to do, whatever you're going to do. Okay, so that's how you get subscribers. Just make your website more interactive. Add videos, add a introduction video. That is important. Also, add an introduction video, and and within your video, be lively. Okay, let the person know that you are all about business. This is a business. within your video, have a good backdrop, have, tell the person to subscribe to your email. That is just the most genius way to get subscribers. Be lively. Be the face of your industry. That is how you get subscribers. Thank you all for joining me today. My name is Jermaine. I try to keep these tutorials short, but I get to babbling and things that are on my mind. I just let them out. But thank you all for joining me. This is how to get email subscribers. Get your landing page up. Get your video up. Be enticing. Get your title right. Tell people what you are going to do for them, and make sure that it's something that makes sense. It does make sense to people. All right, I'll see you in the next tutorial. My name is Jermaine. Find me at webhosting.com or simply Google web hosting throne and find me at webhostingthrone.com. Okay? All right, I'll see you in the next tutorial.